Next, we have 6 and 4 over 7 multiplied by 1 and 5 over 3. So first, convert natin to into improper fraction. So una, copy natin yung denominator na 7. Tapos, we multiply 6 times 7, that is 42. If we simplify, 42 divided 7, that is 6. Then, add lang natin yung fraction na 4 over 7. So, we have 42 plus 4, that is 46. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 7. So, we have 46 over 7. Next, convert natin itong 1 and 5 over 3. We have 1 and 5 over 3. First, copy natin yung denominator na 3. Tapos, we multiply 1 times 3, that is 3. If we simplify 3 divide 3, that is still equal to 1. Tapos, add lang natin yung 5 over 3. We simplify 3 plus 5, that is 8. Tapos, copy lang natin yung denominator na 3. So, we have 8 over 3. Tapos, we can now proceed sa pag-multiply ng ating mga fractions. We have 46 over 7 multiplied by 8 over 3. So, 46 times 8, that is 368. Tapos, 7 times 3, that is 21. So, for this example, 368 and 21 cannot be divided. So, ang gawin na lang natin is i-divide natin itong 368 into 21. So, that is 17. Meron pa siyang point or decimal itong 17. Pero, disregard na natin yung mga decimal. Yung whole number lang ang kukunin natin. So, we have 17. Then, multiply natin ito into 21. So, we have 357. That is 21 times 17, 357. Then, we subtract 368 minus 357. That is 11. Tapos, copy lang natin yung ating denominator na 21. So, this is our answer, 17 and 11 over 21.